Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your host, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today with a few sample questions which you might see in aptitude examination taken up by WILEY M3. Okay, go and visit their sites. They are offering their internship, training, and then after training they will ask you to sit for different companies examination, and the package is quite fine. If you have not got offer from any other companies, you can always opt for WILEY M3. The pattern is like the top 4. You have to write quantitative ability, 10 questions, 20 minutes, 20 marks. I would be discussing few questions from quantitative ability, few sample question. Then out of these 4, either you go for Java or Python, and then whichever thing you select, whether Java or Python, based on that you need to write the code or the analysis. So 8 sections are there, but you need to answer 6 sections. 120 minutes would be given for that, and in today's session we would be taking up few sample questions which you might get in quantitative ability part. So on this note, let's start now. Okay, the drill is very simple. As you people know it, please pause the session, try to solve it yourself, and then look out for the solution. All are like a sample type question which you might get in WILEY M3 aptitude test. So the first sample question I have selected from probability. In a throw of 2 dice, so whenever 2 dice are there, first, and the word probability which I have seen, total number of cases would be 36. What is the probability of getting a sum of at most 5? Either we can get sum of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. At most 5 means maximum the sum would be 5. So I'm just writing down the cases. If sum is 2, there would be one case, that is 1 comma 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. In case of 3, we can have 2 cases, 1 2 and 2 1. For 4, there would be 3 cases, 1 3, 2 2 and 3 1. And for 5, there would be 4 cases, 1 4, 2 3, 3 2 and 4 1. You can also remember, this is very simple to remember. The sum is 2, then we have got 1 case. Sum is 3, 2 cases. For 4, we have got 3 cases. For 5, we have got 4 cases. So total number of cases are 7 and 3, that is 10. Now what is the probability? Probability means favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Total number of favorable cases are 10 and total number of cases are 36. So this would be 5 by 18. Yes, that we have in option D. Okay, so the next one we have taken from equations, or you can also use identities here. Let's see what it is. Two numbers when subtracted give 28. X minus y is 28. And when added give 14. X plus y is 14. Find the product. We need the value of x and y. If I add these two, 2x is 42, x is 21, and then y would be 14 minus 21, that is minus 7. So x into y would be 21 into minus 7, that is minus 147. We can use equation, find the value of x and y, and then we can find the value of x into y. Or if we can remember, the direct formula or the identity to find the value of xy is x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square divided by 4. If we solve this, we will get xy. x square plus 2xy plus y square minus of x square minus 2xy plus y square will give 4xy, divided by 4 is xy. So x plus y whole square is 14 square minus this is 28 square by 4. We can here use a square minus b square, that is a plus b, 42 into a minus b minus 14 by 4. This will be 21 and this is 7. 21 into minus 7 is minus 147. So we have identity method also to do this, or simple equation method. We just need the answer. Whatever method you want to follow, just use it. Okay, if the fractions, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fraction, 4 by 9, 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 6 by 13 and 5 by 11 are arranged in descending order. That means highest value first and then the lowest value. Then which one will be second? We are looking out for the second highest one. Now, LCM method is an easy way. We can use the LCM of the denominator and then multiply and can transfer each denominator into the same number. But here we can see that LCM method would be lengthy because all numbers are like co-primes to each other. So it's better to find the values. 4 by 9 is 1 by 9 is 11.11%. 4 by 9 is 44.44%. I am converting each fraction into percentage. 2 by 7, 1 by 7 is 14.28, 2 by 7 is 28.57. 1 by 8 is 12.5, 3 by 8 would be 37.5. 1 by 13 is 7.7%, 6 into 7 is 42, plus 4.2 would be 46.2%. 1 by 11 is 9.09, 5 by 11 would be 45.45%. So the highest one is 46.2. And then the second highest is 45.45. That means if they are arranged in descending order from highest to lowest, the second one in the list would be 5 by 11. That is in option A. Okay, one sample question taken from time and work. I would again ask you to go through rule 8 from our rule book to dwell deeper into the easy concept to solve these kind of question. Here I have taken up the question of addition property. So if A can do a piece of work in A days and B can do the same piece of work in B days, if A and B are working together, according to the addition property, time taken by them would be simply product by sum. That's it. Go through rule 8, link is there in the description, go through it. So here what we have, X can do a piece of work in 30 days, Y can do the same work alone in 50 days. In how many days will X and Y together complete the work? If both are working together, we know the drill. It is product 30 into 50 by sum 30 plus 50. So it is 1500 by 80. Or 75 by 4 days. 4 into 1872, so that is 18 and 3. 18, 3 by 4 days they will take if both are working together. Okay, one example taken up from fractions. The ratio of two numbers is 2:3. That means the numbers are 2x and 3x. When 4 is added to both numbers, the ratio becomes 3:4. We just need to solve and find the value of x. 8x plus 16 equals 9x plus 12. 9x minus 8x is x. 16 minus 12 is 4. That means value of x is 4. Numbers are 2 into 4, that is 8, and 3 into 4, that is 12. Two numbers are 8 and 12. What is the sum of numbers? Sum of number is 20. Just add up option D to follow. Okay, a classic question from permutation, arranging of digits. how many 4-digit numbers without repetition can be formed by using the digits these. Now, simple formula we can use. Suppose we have got n digits where 0 is also included, and we need a number of r digits at a time such that repetition is not allowed. We can use the direct formula npr minus n minus 1 pr minus 1. Here we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits in which 0 is also included. Without repetition means repetition not allowed, and the value of r is 4. So we can use this formula directly to find how many 4-digit numbers we can form. Those are 8p4 minus 7p3. So now 8p4 is 876 into 5 minus 7p3 is 765. So if I take common 765, it is 8 minus 1 into 7. So 49 into 30. 7, 2, 12, 1, 4, 7, 0 is the answer. Option D fits in. Okay, the next popular classical question I have taken up from where it seems like we need to use permutation combination, but logic, counting logic is what is required. Read it once. How many sequences of answers are possible in a test having 12 multiple choice questions if each question have 5 choices? Like we have got question number 1 and we have 5 choices. Similarly, we have question number 2 till question number 12. Now, simple logic. In how many ways this question can be answered? Either you would be marking on A, or you would be marking on B, or you would be marking on C, or you would be marking on D, or you would be marking on E. And it is given sequences of answer. That means we are supposed to mark. That means first question can be answered in 5 ways. Second question can be answered in 5 ways again. 12th question can be answered in 5 ways again. Then in how many ways we can have different set of answers? That is 5 into 5 into 5. How many times? 12 times. So we have got 5 into 5, 12 times. 5 to the power 12. How many sequences of answers are possible? That is 5 to the power 12. But if the question is like that, in how many ways a student can answer 12 multiple choice question with each question have got 5 choices, then the answer would be 6 to the power 12, because student have got one more choice with each question associated, and that is he might not mark on any of the options. He may mark on A, B, C, D, E, or he may leave it. So in that case, that student have got 6 choices for one particular question. So in that case, number of choices would be 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 till 12 times, 6 to the power 12. But when you are preparing answer set, you have to have one answer for one question. In that case, it is 5 to the power 12. If a student is offered this multiple choice question test, he have got 6 to the power 12 choices, and if it is given that he can't leave the answer set vacant, then the answer would be 6 to the power 12 minus 1, because there would be only one case out of 6 to the power 12 cases where he have marked not a single answer. So one data, 3 different kind of asking there you can have. Go through the Pink series permutation and combination in detail to delve deeper into these concepts. Okay, one more example from arrangements. Now what is this time? How many lines can be drawn through 18 points on a circle? On a circle, there are 18 points. Why they have given on a circle? That means that no more than 2 points are collinear. So to draw a line, we need 2 points. We need combinations of 2 points. So it is simply 18C2 lines we can form. That is 18 into 17 by 2. 17 into 9, 153. 153 lines or chords can be drawn on this circle if you have got 18 points with those points. 153, option D is the pick. Seven balls are drawn from a bag that contain 8 green and 6 white balls. 8 plus 6, we have got 14 balls, out of which we need to draw 7 balls. How many ways 3 green and 4 white balls are drawn? So we need 3 from 8. We can draw this in 8C3 ways. And means multiplication. And 4 white, that would be 6C4. That's it. 8C3 is 8, 7, 6 by factorial 3, that is 6. Into 6C4 is 6C2, 6 into 5 by 2. 6 gone, this is 3. So we have 56 into 15, 560 and 280, 840. So in 840 ways, we can draw 7 balls such that 3 are green and 4 are white. Option D fits in. Permutation combination topic is their favorite. So please do practice a lot of questions from that. Okay, so last one in this sample set. We hope that you would be going through these kind of topic. You might get these kind of questions again if you are writing WILEY M3 assessment. Find the least number which must be added to this so that the resulting number is divisible by 112. Let's divide it. Number is 32642. It will go 2 times. 224. 1024, then 8, 9, 9 times I can try, yes. So 9 into 2, 18, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, so 14, 6, 16, 162. It will go 1 times, 1, 1, 2. So remainder is 50. So that means 50 is already extra with this number. How much we need to be adding to this number would be 112 minus 50, that is 62. If I add 62 to this number, the new number which we'll get would be perfectly divisible by 102. Option B fits in. So thank you everyone for participating. These were few sample questions. Please go and practice these type of questions again and again. You might end up getting the similar kind of topic while you are writing WILEY M3 assessment test. And these all are sample questions which are just solved to give you the sense of what different kind of question can be asked during the examination. The logo used in this particular session are all owned by WILEY M3. These are not my logo, so I've just used for the representation purposes. And the disclaimer, like I have no intention to infringe in any copyright related to this company. So on this note that I'll see you soon in this hope. I'll see you soon. Thank you everyone.